Hey everybody, Solomon here. So today I'm going to be taking off the tailgate, bumper, trying to get all the bed bolts cut off so we can remove the bed. I'm taking it over to Evolutionary Rides in Brooksville, Florida. They make a brand new bed floor for these trucks. So I'm going to take it off, take it over to them, and they're going to make it brand new because this has a little bit of rust in it, and just don't really want to deal with any of that. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is clean out the bed. Got my buddy Simi here. Don't know if you guys ever watched our Unibody Union videos, but he's a character.
Kind of like these trucks, try to bring them back from the dead, you know, so.
Alright, now she's nice and clean. So I'm going to start to take off this here tailgate, drop the bumper, and then we're going to get to cutting.
Alright, what we got here is one of my favorite tools, and that's the rigid cordless grinder. I'm about to grind out these bolts because that's the easiest way to get them out. And the bed will be free as anything. Enjoy the sparks. Look forward to your life.
So it's actually day 2. Last night it got pretty dark pretty quick, and we just kept going, but we didn't really record anymore because we wouldn't have seen anything. It was dark. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we did. Since we're replacing the full bed floor, we ended up cutting holes to get to the 2 back bolts. We just needed to put in a big breaker bar, and there was no way we were going to be able to do it from underneath, so we did that. And the rest of it was fairly simple and straightforward. So let me show you what we did. So there are 2 bolts over here. You can see the first one right there and the second one right there. Then there are 6 more in the bed. 1, 2, and then all the way in the back of the cab is the 3rd one, and then the same on that side. So right now the bed is loose, ready to go. I'm going to be taking it over to Evolutionary Rides on Sunday, so I'll get some video of me loading it up. But overall, went pretty smooth, no complaints. Excited to see it done. Let me show you some of the rust and the reason why we're going to be replacing it. So over there you can see there's plenty of rust right there, and then there's a bunch of pinholes everywhere. Even where it's not rusty, the metal itself isn't really that good anymore. There's a lot of dents. Just overall it's worth it for me to just put in a new one, so that's what we're going to do. What's up everybody? Just got over here to Evolutionary Rides, and trip went well. Joey's going to talk to us a little bit about what he's going to do to the bed. Everything turned out really good. So here it is.
Evolutionary Rides, and we have a full restoration, full fabrication shop over here in Brooksville, Florida. We also offer full replacement bed floors for these 48 through 79 F100 F-Series trucks. This is the bed that we'll be doing for F100 Builder's Guide magazine. And we'll be doing the full floor, corner pans, and metalwork, and restoring this bed. Taking the full floor out, as well as the pans. There's probably going to be some rust on where the pan meets the wall and bed up. That's our time for us to take some of the dents out as well. The front wall looks like it's going to have some canter along the bottom, as well as the front cross member that's under here. This floor is so pitted it just makes sense to replace it as a whole. Also, where floors delete sections like this is a factory stamping. Each plant had a different stamping, so sometimes you'll have this and sometimes you won't. So our floors delete all that mess, and it just gives you a nice clean product when it's done. Alright, we offer them in long bed and short bed forms. These are two different version year beds. A 61 through 66 bed. This is a 67 through 72 style bed with bump sides. The floors and the corner pans were exchanged as well. 18 gauge sheet metal, real thick, thicker than factory. 19 gauge. The ribs are real nice and sharp and fitted, so you're going to have a nice clean forming of ribs. Finished edges all the way through. This short bed here is in the middle of restoration and getting epoxy primed. Very minimal body work when installing these bed floors, as well as the pans. It saves a lot of time and you have a heck of a lot better result. Again, it's just a time saver and it's big on the quality side. You know, and this bed has been dipped, that bed's been sandblasted, so you can see the ins and outs, clean seams and all the spot welds. Just trying to boost up the restoration game, and we're tired of seeing wood floors or diamond plate floors or steel floors. And you guys can reach us at 352-835-1355. Evolutionary Rides in Brooksville, Florida. You can also reach us on Facebook, and we're more than happy to go over what we offer. Here at Evolutionary Rides, we also offer installation services. Remove your old bed floor, replace the bed floor in the 4 pans. Unfortunately, these beds have a lot of hidden surprises, including this one here. We're digging up a lot of Bondo to get our panels in there and get them in there correctly. Once we replace the corner pans, we have all of our plug welds ready to go when our floor goes in. Everything has weld-through primer on it. Once it gets put down, everything's epoxy primed and sealed. Bed floor looks factory from the top and from the bottom. No indications of a replacement other than it being a nicer floor. Nice and straight. This allows people to do a base coat, clear coat paint job inside the bed, and versus settling for like an undercoating or something like that, if that was the only option. If you like undercoating, obviously that's on your preference. This allows the guys to be curious about it, or just full clean restoration about it, so they can do base coat clear. Unfortunately, areas like this side wall and inside these tubs and on the front wall, you deal with rust. That's hidden rust. That's where the factory was never coated from the factory. 2 pieces of metal sitting together for 50 years, seam sealer breaks, it's going to start blistering, it's going to start rusting. So you do find some surprises along the way, but what we offer is the main floor, 4 pans, and obviously rust work and installation services.